I welcome back. So, we have done previous steps about dependencies. In dependencies, also you can able to play with various scenarios. Uh, so, so now if you see like how we can able to restrict it. So, for example, you have an iPhone and iPhone Pro. In Pro model only, if it is 256 GB is available, that also you can control, or else in iPhone only both models available. That anyhow it is available. Colors also you can able to control by creating different kind of dependencies, or else pro models if it is available only 6 GB, that also you can try. So we had a discussion about characteristics and creating class and calling your characteristic assignment values to class, and with that we have created a configurable material and a configurable profile. So now what is left with you? Okay, after creating all these steps, the final step, you would like to see the price actually. Okay, so now let's go to CT04. So let's have a quick recap. You have created these two models, and for that, let's go and try to check. You have set up a price actually. So if you see that you didn't maintain any values here for price, and so the values by using this characteristic, you can able to determine the price actually. It has a various ways, but let's give a try. Before that, let me show you. So currently there is no price available for this main material. Okay, let's choose the model. I'm choosing Pro. In that Pro, let's choose 256 GB, and let's choose some color green here, and you can choose this RAM as this is 6 GB, and let's choose accessories. Okay, with that it became a green. If you want, you can lock this. Let's come back, and once you see this, your mandatory condition type PR00 is missing. So for variants, you have one more condition type called VA000 that you have to place in your pricing procedure. If you go here, nothing is available, no PR00, nothing. Okay, now go to V/08. Okay, so probably ZGST. So this is the procedure I have created. Okay, so here you have to place after base price somewhere, like in a standard procedure you take VA000. This is for variants, variant condition type, and you have to assign the requirement routine as this one. So like suppose if you have a product, iPhone has certain base price, and after that 6 GB has certain value and 4 GB has certain value, and if it is based on the color also, the the model, certain times if you see slight difference of value difference of based on the color also. And if you see anyhow space, we have minimum 10,000 rupees difference from 128 GB to 256 GB in real-time scenario. Also the similar kind of scenario, we'll try to create a prices, and we can call them, we can invite them the same set of the material in the terms of the BOM also, and setting up the prices. Anyhow, it is required. For that we have created characteristics. So now replace this VA000. So let me show you. Okay, so now let's go to VK11 first. Let's go to PR00. So let's take our material code. So let's try to choose some 45,000 base price I'm keeping. Okay, so one box anyhow it is holding one piece, there is no issues. So let's try to keep this, and let's try to create a sales order. Now you are getting only for your product base price, not for variants. That's what I wanted to show you. Let's come here. So let's choose the Pro or 15, anything is fine. And let's come here Let's choose 256. So blue variant this time, ocean blue, and speed 4 GB, and accessories. Accessories they're giving, they includes base price cost. If you go back, you can able to see 45,000 what we have maintained. If you come here conditions, there is no variant price. Let's go to the analysis. See, I can configure and can show you directly, but still I'm showing you how it is coming. If you see, your variant is missing. Okay, now how we have to set that one. Now let's go to first CU02. Okay, this is dependency. I'm sorry, CU42. Okay, for this material, let's press enter, and if you select this and so select and this one. Okay, so these are the settings we have done. Okay, so go back. Let me show you class assignments. If you see here, there is something called variant condition, right? So don't maintain anything because we'll maintain in our characteristics. Okay, so let me show you the place where it is also available here, mm02. You have to call in your configurable profile. So previously I didn't assign, and after that I have assigned. I haven't recorded, that's why I'm showing you this one. So if you see here, that is also available here, your variant condition. Now let's try to set up the price for variants. Okay, now let's go to what you call CT04, the transaction. Okay, here if you see this, we haven't maintained any values. Okay, any dependencies, nothing. We can able to do that. Different scenarios. Let's go to CT04. First you go to the what you call let's take storage. So depends on the value, we'll set the price actually. Okay, variant price. Now if you see here, let's select 125 GB and go to extras. Okay, extras, you try to remember this path. I didn't give the screenshot, you just check, select that one, go to extra to object dependencies, go to editor. Okay, so now the see, previously I told you I have explained about precondition. Okay, you have a selection condition and action, different things are there. Let's choose always for pricing procedure. Okay, once you choose the procedure, okay, you have to do some formula here. I will show you. So what is the syntax here? You take this dollar self. Okay, you can take small letters or capital letters. Self dot. Okay, what is your characteristic you have defined? So that is G underscore. Sorry, if you keep this one wrong, it will not work for you. So let's keep this. And what is this? So this is 125 GB. Actually 128 GB will be there in real time. So I have done this, no issues. That's not a thing. Concept you have to understand. Okay. So let's check this. No syntax errors. Okay. So it is active. And let's try to copy this better. Copy this everywhere. Okay. You have to remember this one only. Okay. Now let's go again. Extras object, different ways you can able to go it. It's not a single way. Go to editor. Okay. So Go to environment, extras, object dependencies, editor. And if you want, you can able to maintain, take this one, copy this. Okay. So this one is 256 GB. Okay. Let's check. Some issue is there because of existing this one is there. Okay. 256 GB. Okay. Remaining part expression cannot be interpreted. Okay. Let's keep here and so otherwise do one thing. Let's take this one. Don't take. So let me do one thing. We want price, right? That is more important for us. So it is not allowing. Okay, anyhow, no issues, no changes. Okay, CT04, enter the storage, go to the values, and let me check here. So let me take out. So let's go to extras. Let's copy this. Okay, check this. So let's save this. As of now, no issues. So let's save this. Now let's go to the, similarly, you have to perform the same thing for other characteristics also. So maybe model wise, let's keep the colors also for colors. So for all these colors, okay, let's choose the procedure. So what you have to do is like you have to take red. Okay, come back, save. Now let's select this blue. So now take the procedure. Blue, save this. Similar way, you have to do it. White. Now let's go to the finally green. Okay, we have more characteristics, right? That's why it is taking time actually. Okay, so that's fine. Let's save this. So then I want based on RAM. Okay. So procedure you are learning, right? Previously you learned precondition. Or GB. Similar way, go to extras. Let's choose the procedure. See, similar syntax because this is my characteristics, right? So don't worry if you have reached till level, you have learned a lot as a beginner, but experienced dedicated wherein professionals they can able to do a lot of scenarios on this. Okay. So then RAM gone. So based on model also I would like to keep the price. Okay. So let's come here, go to the values. So 15 is, go to extras. So let's take the procedure for 15. So here iPhone. So just copy it. You can type it, no issues. For this also I can keep the price and pro models. Again, go to same process. You have to do it. Okay. Procedure calling is important for price. You cannot able to do with precondition. Okay. All good. Okay. No syntax errors. We have done. So after doing this accessories, I don't want to keep any price. Those will come free of cost. Okay. Now let's go to VK11. Okay. So go VA00. Okay. You see this always interview questions. They will ask what is the combination in your sales organization distribution channel material in real time. If you want, you can able to create by using access sequence your own key combinations. So now let's go to the variants. Okay. So now if you look at here, you'll have all this list. Okay. Anyhow, I'll leave this. I'll try to take out my list. Okay. So probably I can take from this one 6B and 4GB, blue, green. I have values previously defined. So white, red, you can take all values. 256 and you have 125 GB. So iPhone 15, iPhone Pro. So now it's time to fix the prices. Your base price is 45,000 I kept. So 6GB is like 12,000. This is 7,000. And here it is 1,000. This is probably like internal also, or else we cannot show. This is an example you can take. And red, it is somewhere like additional 500 extra. Probably green model also like it is 2000 extra. Generally based on the color also, not much differs, like probably like just keep it 1200, and this is also 1100. Okay, based on the color. So 256 GB. Okay, for that I'm just keeping 12,000, and this is maybe 5,000, and iPhone 15. Okay, by adding all these prices, your iPhone 15 costly is more, but still I'm just trying. So probably I can keep, so like this is 12, 17, 19. Okay, almost like this I'm keeping 10,000. Okay, this has initial price, this is a additional, so 35,000. So just maintain all these are the prices. For accessories we don't require. Okay, okay, I have done. So like with the key, so let's try to check this one on the your sales order directly. Let's take this. Okay, let's choose iPhone 15 Pro. Storage, let's choose 125, and the colors, let's choose the green, and the speed 6 GB, and box accessories. Okay, so now you see this iPhone Pro variant conditions, it is green and it is with 6 GB. Okay, let's go back. Now you can able to see the price. So go to the conditions, you can able to see this. So your price is 45,000, you got it. So 6 GB, so 12,000, what we have maintained. And for green color, and this is the one, and this is a thing. Let's try to choose this with the same material, one more. Okay, so let's choose, this is iPhone 15. So storage is again 125 GB. So colors is like blue I'm choosing, and speed I'm choosing 4 GB, and box accessories choose everything. Okay, now see this, the variant condition is applicable all these things, and go further. Let's go and check the price for your iPhone blue. You can see this blue 1,000 rupees, and I'll put together this is 63,000. Okay, it is okay, but pro model it is somewhere it comes around in US or India it won't available. After tax it will be get like somewhere 1,30,000 or 35,000. Okay, this is how you can able to play with the system. Okay, now document is completed. Let's do this. If you want, you can able to do the delivery, but we don't have a stock here. So let's keep it 25. So probably like these two materials, main materials, you can pick it and you can play accordingly. And this is one piece. Okay, so your PZ are done, and let's go to VF01. See components, you'd like to deliver it separately. See in box, iPhone is going now. Okay, so let's enjoy. So end-to-end cycle. So similar concept you can able to do with your, what I would say, you can able to see all these are the prices, right? So including your variant, this is your billing document, this is end-to-end cycle. Similar way you can try different things actually. So let's go to CT04. Let's try to take the storage one. So let's go to the values. Okay, let's select this. So here, if you give the value also, okay, another condition also, it will work like okay, preconditions. If I wanted to give this this I have given only for price. So like you can able to do it for like your brand. Okay, for this brand, if you want 256 GB, that also you can able to do it. Okay, anyhow, let's give it a try. And currently this 256 GB it is not available. If I would like to choose also, so for my model, so probably we'll set it right, that thing. 1 second, let's try to go to cu02 hyphen storage precondition. Okay, I just do one thing. Dependency editor, I will delete this one completely. So let's go to CT04, press enter, go to the values, and let's select this. Because preconditions I have tested, right? Two conditions, some syntax I'm not able to do it at this moment. Let's delete this, press enter. Now go to the values. Let's choose for 256 GB also extras, other dependencies, and editor. So let's choose the procedure only. Okay. So what is this? This one, self dot g underscore price, right? Ours is equal to, what is this? 256 GB. Let's check this. Set. All right, because you can able to apply multiple conditions or multiple dependencies, but here the writing code is the problem actually for me now. It's been a long time. So let's try to create order now. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so let's take pro. Storage types you're getting previously like 256 GB, colors allowed. Okay, take the red. Okay, speed of iPhone 4 GB. See how beautiful it is coming. You can able to see this. You can able to select here also. Press enter. Okay, this is one thing. And let's take again 256 GB for iPhone 15 also. Previously didn't show the value. Storage. Okay, let's choose white. You can take any time, like these ones, like this. You can play with the system actually. Box accessories. For accessories also you can keep the price, but at least he is giving your charging cable and data cable, charger anyhow you have to buy. That you can, again you can try 1 month scenario. There is something called selection in your dependencies. With that, you can create bomb actually with material. With iPhone you can able to sell screen guard and other things also can able to add it. Okay, so I can show you the path. You can try your own way. Now let's check the prices. You can able to see this iPhone Pro, and total price is coming 1,100,000 in this case. And if you see this one, 80,000 is coming iPhone 15. See this. If you want, I can show you one more cycle delivery. Okay, my hands are faster sometimes. So I'm tired. I don't know how the session is going. So if you don't understand, watch multiple times. Okay, please. So it's not, it's a little dry topic. It's not, you cannot get like other configurations. Okay. So let's check. We have 02 accounting document, not yet created, release. Okay. So this is how you have to play with your variant configuration cycle. Okay. iPhone I have taken, you can take Hyundai car, you can take Tata Nano. Who stops you? You can take Skoda, anything. Okay. Take accessories. Don't take more characteristics initially. Have some practice. Then you can able to comfortably play with the system. So I think you got variant configuration related stuff. Watch my channel carefully and closely, and what should I say, I wish you all the best. With this I'm just closing variant configuration. In future, if anything needed, okay, if any scenarios, and bomb scenario also will be there, we can able to add it. Future costing scenarios also will be there, we can try. I think this is good way to handle now these sessions. 7 sessions. Watch everything carefully. Please subscribe, and I'm requesting you to give a like. Doing a lot of hard work to push forward for to give knowledge transfer to all you guys. And like me, so many folks are there. Your subscription and for my Udemy a little helpful, so that I can able to handle a little charity what I'm earning also. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Jai Bharat. Never say never no. All the best. Sleeping mode. Good night.